Well, hey there, folks. It's Dub here. We're back with our October 2019 Cairn Box. And this one's kind of bulging a little bit. I don't know what's in there. Not super duper heavy. But tell you what, let's pop her open and take a look. See what we've got for October. Maybe a trick-or-treat mask or some Halloween candy? Yeah, probably not, right? But hey, we'll see. Maybe it's October themed. Who knows? Open it up. All right, we've heard this before. If a tree falls in the woods, be there to hear it. I've explained my story before about hearing a tree falling. It was a giant tree in the woods. One of the most scary experiences of my life. You can't quite tell where it's coming from and where to go. I was safe, but still. Anyways, moving on. All right, so first things first, we get out the old Cairn Scout. There it is. All right, the old Cairn Scout. For folks can take a look at it. I don't read that until afterwards. Like I always say, if you want to copy that, either order you Cairn Box or hit me up. You can have this one when I'm done. All right, to the box. All right, first thing out of the box, some Yum Butter. What does it say? Energy with an I. Energy almond. So almond butter here. It's a balanced energy and adaptogens. Adaptogens? I don't know if it's a word I've ever heard before. All right, so nutrition facts. It is one serving size, one pouch, 51 grams. Calories per serving is 270. So for that little pouch, pretty respectable, I suppose. Let's see. Where's our protein at? 9 grams of protein and 7 grams of sugars. So hold that little guy up there if he wants to take a look at it. But yeah, basically just, kind of hiking, biking, running around. Looks like it's an easy little kind of drinkable almond butter. Let's see, knead and mix. I guess just an almond butter flavor. All right, cool. We'll try that out. Moving along. Let's see, this is a belt. Cut to length belt with bottle opener. They know Dub. They know Dub. So, solid belt there. It kind of actually reminds me, well, I don't know where my beach towel is from a while back, but it kind of reminds me of like the mountainscape on that beach towel that I got a while back. It's not quite camo, it's not quite the design per se, but I guess you just find what length for you works, cut that to fit, or leave the extra. I remember, this might date me here, but I remember back when having that extra bit of belt hanging off was cool. I was never cool enough for that, but remember folks did it. Let's see here. Let's get the full thing out. So I don't know how big that is overall, if it says anything. And I think this is that Crokies? Is that how you pronounce that? Croakies. Designed and assembled in the USA. Established 1977. How to thread and how to open that bottle. Alright, well I dig that. I dig that. Anything that like is functional and is a bottle opener, this guy's in. Alright. Next thing. And I've never gotten the answer on this. I'm sure I could look it up fairly easily. Maybe I'll just leave it as a mystery for myself for now. I don't know if this is pronounced Yuko or UCO. I think it's UCO, but I like Yuko better. I don't know why. All right, so this is the Sprout, which was one of my first nicknames ever when I was in junior high. Sprout is the hangout lantern. If you can see on top there, it's got a little attachment portion apparently on top of it, and it looks like, I'll tell you what, we'll just, I guess this is a rip and tear kind of an open deal. Well, not so much tear, honestly. This is well glued. All right, there we go. So, easy peasy enough. It's got a little hanging string right there. Let's see if it pops open. It looks like it would right there. But I'm not going to try it now. Let's just see if there's any batteries to it so far. No? Is it? Okay. We got something unscrewing. Oh! Well, that's interesting. First off, that's a little magnetic bit there, and it seems to pop right on. Alright, so that'll twist that way. Is that how you... No? That way? No? Well, there's got to be something going on here. Oh, alright, there it is. I just need to lift, apparently. So you twist and lift, and we've got our instructions, and it looks like we've got 3 AAA batteries that are supposed to go in there. So there's your... Kind of reminds me of back in the day when people had like actual photos in their wall of their grandkids. Hey, look at the grandkids. There we go. Anyway... So it's got all your details. I think pretty much all it says is put batteries in it, push the button, it turns on. Should be interesting to see how well lit that is. Is there anything special about this we need to go over? Light where you need it, the hangout magnetic puck, auto locates and snap. You have a dimmable light from above, so it must have more than one setting. So it says high is 100 lumens, low is 10 lumens. So you can get 6 hours from the high or 50 from the low. That's pretty impressive. Blue LED. Batteries not included. We figured that out, didn't we? But a decent movie. Never seen it. Again, I'm dating myself, but whatever. Go check it out. It's a good flick. Alright, other than that, I guess that's it. So we've got our soon-to-be figured-out little light here. Well, actually, you know what? Do I have... You know what? I do. I got a few AAA batteries. Let's just take a look real quick. See if this thing is what they say it is. We get a couple settings out of it or not. All right, battery in, battery in, battery in. All right, and lock that back together. Magnet still works, sweet. And there's our light. You know, hangable. See, I mean, if you give it if a little yank, it comes off there. But again, it finds itself really easily. Whoever made that bit knew what they were doing. That bit works. All right, there's the. Oh, so there's the blue light, right? That must be the low version. Blue light's the low. Regular white is the brighter version. Well, all right. I mean, 50 hours they said. That's impressive. All right. So we've got the UCO light with magnetic attachment there. That is the Sprout hang-on lantern. Again, we're going with the Crokies bottle opener, sizable belt, and a little almond butter. Maybe leave some room on that belt if you have a couple of these. You know what I mean? All right, folks. This is Dub signing off. I will catch you on the next one.